Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic footrest with a rocking feature that this brand sent to me for this video. This thing is really, really cool. Not only because it's gonna give you, this thing is it's kind of like awesome to put right here under your desk if you have a long day, if you're working for long periods of time, if you need to stretch your legs and things like that. Because this one is gonna give you that really nice release that you need when you're sitting for long periods of time, and it has multiple kind of like positions. It's about 16 inches by 18 inches. It's not really big, but it is heavy. It's a heavy one, and it's made of wood, so that's gonna give you a really nice feel as well. Underneath, you're gonna find kind of like rubber pads, because this one, once that you put it in the floor, because of those rubber pads, it won't move easily, so that's really good to have. And then it comes with this nice rocking feature, which I think it is super nice to have. Sometimes you're just like moving your legs and things like that. So you can move your legs, and you can see that it comes in multiple positions. So you can actually put it kind of like right here, a little bit taller, right here in the middle position, and right here on the bottom part. So let's actually take a closer look with my feet downstairs. And of course, you can use it barefoot if you want, or just with your socks. In this case, I'm going to use it with my shoes, but you can just dispose them if you want. And by the way, it comes with a really nice grip right here. So those actually going to be really good if you're using your shoes. But for example, this one, just having the chance to do this when you're working, you just kind of like, instead of like doing this with your leg all the time or something like that, you can actually rest your legs and do this while you're working. You can be in your keyboard, things like that, just like up here, and do this, which is gonna be super nice. And you can change the angle, and you can change the kind of like the position right here on the side. And then you can stretch your foot a little bit. If you need to stretch your feet, you can do it just like that. So that's gonna be really good for your calves as well. But then if you wanna relax even more, this one over here, it has a really nice memory foam kind of like pillow inside, so you can do this instead. So that is kind of like the sweet spot if you want to super relax and just watch a episode, like a TV show or something like that, or work more relaxed, more chill, even kind of like reclining if you want. This one works perfectly. So I gotta say, for both things, this is a really good one, and I love the rocking feature. I like it. I give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.